Hi there. Welcome to Ballroom Dance Planet. Are you looking for the best places to learn ballroom dancing? Look no further because, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best places to get started. Number 1. Dance Studio Private Lessons. You can take private lessons at a dance studio. This is a great option if you want to learn how to dance quickly, or if you want to learn a specific style of dance. Private lessons can be expensive, but they are usually worth the cost. You might need to look up each studio to see which even offers adult ballroom dance lessons. Some dance studios only focus on jazz or ballet or instruct kids. Then again, several dance studios provide ballroom dance programs or camps that run for certain intervals of time and don't cost much. One of my favorite dance studios in the DMV area is called Crown Dance Studio, and you should swing by if you are ever around there. Number 2. Online lessons. You can take online lessons. This is a great option if you want to learn at your own pace, or if you can't find a class that meets your schedule. You can view these comfortably at home, practicing whenever you want. They might also prove to be much cheaper than getting private dance lessons. You can even scout the online world for websites focusing on instructional materials about ballroom dance. Some of the better ones have easy-to-understand breakdowns of each kind of dance, with videos you can watch and follow. Number 3. Community centers. If physically attending ballroom dancing lessons does appeal to you, check out your community for dance studios. Most community centers offer dance classes for adults. This is a great option if you want to take group classes, and it's usually more affordable than taking private lessons. Number 4. Colleges and universities. You might also want to look into your local colleges and universities for ballroom dance lessons. Many colleges and universities offer ballroom dance classes. This is a great option if you're a student, or if you live near a college town. Some educational institutions now offer ballroom dancing for physical education credits, often inviting the public to join the classes. They usually run an hour, happening 1 to 2 times per week over 4 to 5 months. The cost will depend on each particular institution, but ballroom dance classes here are typically cheap, and maybe even free. Sharing your dancing lessons with a partner or friend is a great way to keep costs minimal. If you don't have a partner, many classes might offer to pair you up with someone if you're single. Number 5. Recreational sports leagues. Some recreational sports leagues offer dance classes. This is a great option if you're already involved in a league, and it's usually more affordable than taking private lessons. Number 6. High school dance teams. High school dance teams. Many high schools have dance teams you can join. This is a great option if you're a student, or if you live near a high school. Number 7. Local dance clubs. You can join a local dance club. This is a great option if you want to socialize and meet new people while learning to dance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.